Eric Brown here again with XLR Toy Haulers, showcasing our 41G14. This has been a new floor plan for us this year with our complete relaunch, where we started from the frame all the way up, redoing everything, thinking about every possible situation with the toy hauler and giving you the most value for your dollar. All new graphics, enlarged each one of our pass-throughs, took everything out as far as your docking station, so you have a full space in there, easy access to your mechanicals. Went with the folding boride steps, so you leave the dirt outside and then you flip them up, and the full safety handle. This floor plan has been absolutely dynamite for us, giving you a full living room, lots of space to work with, something again not common to a toy hauler. Toy haulers have always been about the garage, now we're about the living space too. Full 24-inch range, 12 volt, 17 cubic foot refrigerator, and 1.5 cubic foot microwave. We do have the tick-sock sink, so you do have a waterfall, a cup sprayer, all sorts of attachments in here for your dishwashing pleasure. Coming through here, you do have 3 separate recliners. Again, having the square windows, really cleaning up the look. All your shades are going to be built right into it. Lots of nice lighting. All the ceiling lighting is dimmable now. Coming back to the garage, you've got plenty of space for your machines. 77 inches between the half bath and the sidewall, 14 feet between the front wall and the garage door. 3 seasons door. We have a European style bunk up there and the rollovers for more seating. Half bath back here for your guests. Nice sink outside, lots of room to wash your hands, and actually using a glass vapor door to keep those fumes in your garage where they're supposed to be and out of the living room. One thing that's exclusive to XLR Toy Haulers, every unit in the Hyperlite Nitro series comes with a live feed camera. You're driving down the highway, you have to make an emergency maneuver because some person stopped in front of you. You hit an app on your cell phone, you have a live feed of your toy to make sure it's still strapped down and everything's traveling safe. Coming back through, again, wide expansive living room. You can have plenty of guests, plenty of hitchhikers along with you, and you can be entertaining, having beverages, enjoying your camping experience. Coming up these steps, we put the washer and dryer prep, or if you're not doing the washer and dryer, have an extra closet. Built in the closet along the front with shoe racks built behind. This does have the VersaLift bed, that's why the bed is not made, but it does come up. Plenty of storage and cubbies along the sides. Again, something that we added, simple thing, but having dimmable lights set the mood throughout the entire coach. At XLR, we've really gone through this year. We've thought of everything. New plans are coming out monthly, and we're very excited to give this offering to you, and we're very excited to have you as one of our customers. Have a great day. Expansive living room. You can have plenty of guests, plenty of hitchhikers along with you, and you can be entertaining, having beverages, enjoying your camping experience.